Hi everyone, this is Jade from Sweet Softies, and today I'm super excited to share with you my very first order from Darn Good Yarn. If you haven't heard of them already, I put their website down below in the description box. Be sure to check them out because they obviously have gorgeous yarn, and they also have a lot of really cool products for crocheters and knitters, like tools and such, and apparel, home goods, etc. So lots of really neat things to look at there. Now, for my first order, I got this beautiful bundle. This is the Chiffon Ribbon Ombre Pack, and this is in the neutral color tone. So as you can see, lots of beautiful earthy colors here. Look at these 4 babies. Oops, sorry babies. All right, look at these 4 babies. Such cute bundles, I know. I just love this color combo. I of course picked neutral to start off with because I have a thing for these earthy colors. I'm obsessed with it. So browns, beiges, tans, the whole gamut. So this is like absolutely perfection to me right now. Anyways, before I geek off more about it, I want to share with you that this is a weight 5 yarn, so it's considered bulky. Really nice to whip up some some quick projects. Clearly these yarns are great for crochet and knit projects. I think just feeling them right now and knowing how ribbon-like they are, I think they would make an excellent and interesting texture for home deck projects, such as like coasters, cup coasters, or maybe pot holders. I can see these making great baskets as well and really holding up because they have that structure in them. And other than, I'm thinking accessories would work so well too. For example, purses, clutches, or handbags. And since the Darn Good Yarn has a lot of other color variations to pick from, and looking through each of them, it was really hard for me to pick because there were so many good combos. So in addition to this neutral set of colors, I saw these lovely greens, blues, there was red and pink, and even a rainbow version. So with these regular sets, you would get 4 skeins, but the rainbow one has 7 skeins, which is really neat. And the colors put together are just so beautiful. I can see this working great as one project incorporating all of these colors, maybe for a larger item like a larger bag. But if you make these into 4 individual projects as well, which would be smaller items, I think they would look fantastic together as a set too. So if you have any ideas or suggestions on what you would like to see these turned into, I'd love to hear from you. Be sure to write to me in the comment box below, and I'll be sure to take a read. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a great rest of your day, hopefully spent crafting. We'll talk later. Bye now.